All right, good morning, people. Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. Let me get phone charger. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. All right, cool. Awesome. What's going on, people? Welcome back. Welcome back to the Market Call live stream. Look at that. Well, a bit too zoomed in there. All right, let me just have a look here. Where is everyone? Let me just get the Zoom links and the ticket link for the people who are interested in the next trading retreat. Where are we? Oh, shit. Let me get the tickets to the retreat. Where are we? Here. Copy link. Awesome. Boom. There's the tickets for the next trading retreat, guys, for the people who are interested. There is the link. There's not very many left. The guys in the community had first access, but that's the link if you guys want to check it out. The website will be live soon as well, showing everything that will be involved as well. Well, you can check out, because it'll be the same as what's included on the Vietnam one that we're doing in November. You guys can check it out there and find everything that's involved in the Bali one. The Vietnam one is all sold out now, but the link above will give you guys who are interested access to the Bali trading retreat in March next year. The Vietnam one sold out before I even was able to share it outside of Discord, which is crazy. Which is cool. We just posted the link for the London session. Amazing. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's have a quick look at the news here today. Bless you. Thank you. Right. Let me get the guys in on Zoom in a second. What time is it? 10 to. Alright, I'll let everyone in here. Why's my phone not working? Oh. What the hell's going on? Where are we? Morning, everyone. What's up, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, wrong one. Where are we? Here. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, welcome back. What's going on? Give me 2 seconds, guys. We've got a couple more minutes. We'll let everyone join in before we start breaking this all down here. Everyone's joining. Everyone's back in business. Monday grind. Amazing. Cool. Good afternoon. What's going on, everyone? Goldie having a little push down today so far, which is nice. Which is very nice. All right. Let me just have a quick look at the news here today. We got a lot of news this week on gold. Remember, it's the first day of the month this week. First day of the month we have today. We got US dollar manufacturing PMI, 2:45 to 3 o'clock London time. You got job openings tomorrow. You got non-farm employment changes on Wednesday. You got PMI on Wednesday. Unemployment claims on Thursday, and you got NFP on Friday. So you got a very, very, very busy week this week on gold. Lots and lots of news coming up. Lots of news coming up on gold. So we got a lot to run over here today. A lot to run over, which is good. We should see some good movement this week on gold. Still got a lot of levels. So I still think there's potential for some more upside overall this week on gold, which we'll take a look at and break down. What time is it? 4 minutes. All right. We'll let everyone join in. Gold just had a quick spike down there, tapping into some very, very strong daily support, which you're bound to see some sort of reaction from, which could start to give gold that decent retracement. I am looking for gold to dip down a little bit more into this zone before seeing an overall bigger push. But it's a pretty decent push. I was looking to sell this 4-hour flip when I first jumped on this 4 hours bearish. I was looking to sell that 4-hour flip, but I didn't take it. I was just waiting to push down 60 very quick. Let me just get futures up here as well. There we go. Cool. All right, is everyone in? Yeah, cool. I think everyone's here. We'll start.
Recording in progress.
Start breaking it down for the week. Let me get rid of all this analysis. We'll start from scratch here again. Start on the monthly. Remember, it's the first day of the month today. It's important to understand how did that monthly close. So we look at last month on gold. We're starting to slow down. We've broken massively out of this range in March, and you can see this monthly time frame is starting to slow down, looking like it may be time to correct a little bit lower. I'm muted. Nah, I don't think so. You guys on Zoom can hear me, right? Nah, cool. No, you can't hear me, or no? Yeah, you can hear me. Yeah, this month, if we're going to see gold come down for a deep retracement, we would expect, a decent top wick, create this very nice 3-pin pattern evening star before seeing that push back down to maybe, 2250. 2250 would be a lovely level. I think if we're going to see that this month, we would like to see this monthly candle kind of push up first, find some resistance, then you're going to leave like 1, 2, 3, 4 monthly equal lows to then see that spike back down to re-grab a lot of them. So if we want to see this month give a decent top wick, we drop down to lower time frames now. We can try to find somewhere where that may be. You can kind of see last week here on gold, you know, you closed back below 2350. Last week you came up, you retested it, started to flip back bearish towards the end of the week. Take a look at the candles here from last week as well. We were in a very, very big range last week. You know, I do still believe that you could easily see gold come back up into these regions one more time. Come and grab these daily. This is more of a high time frame analysis. Come and see these daily highs getting grabbed. You know, once you tap into a lot of this resistance, a lot of this support now, you're gonna expect a decent retracement. You kind of see on Friday though. This is why I'm looking for sales today. On Friday, you came up, you grabbed Thursday's high, never broke back above 2350, and then pushed back down and closed back below this little very minor support. If you can see, like here, close back below this area here. So as long as you trade below that, you know, we're only looking for sales. If we get closures back above today, amazing. Tomorrow, you know, towards the end of the week, you look for buys up into here, because that could be when that monthly could give that top wick into these areas, create that big head and shoulders, and then you could be looking for that deeper pushback down. So I'll be watching all of these areas for a massive area where gold could find some support before seeing that push back up. But as it stands right now, you know, with the way that Friday closed, we're not going to look for longs into these areas until you start closing either very doji on the daily or at least bullish. So I'd still like to look for some sells today on gold. I still think you're going to see gold maybe tap back into 2300 before a push back up. You can see you kind of have a lot of liquidity down here as well. So you'd be looking to target this low as an area of where price could tap into before seeing that overall pushback higher. So this is that previous daily high up here. So there's going to be our two main liquidity levels on gold. You know, we are in this massive range. Like from these highs to all of this support is one big massive range on gold. But it's that big of a range that it's worthwhile trading, and you could get some decent positions just trading that range. Let me just let some more guys join on Zoom. So you can kind of see, you know, already we're starting to find some support here. How did that hourly just close? Hourly just closed with a very big doji candle. I was actually looking for this to close nice and bearish, because you grabbed the highs, re-broke the lows, looking like this was going to continue pushing down. You kind of see at the last couple of minutes here on gold, this hourly re-closed back above that previous low. So could you start to retrace a little bit more? Maybe. You had very nice fake out sells in Asia. You know, we spoke about in our market called downside on gold. You broke above this resistance, broke back below. Perfect top wick. Re-push back lower. Amazing sells in Asia. We can see something like that today above here. Like fake out buys. Then fantastic. That's a very, very big wick here on Goldie. Look at Ron living the dream. What a guy. Living the dream. Join in.
Gee, yes, man.
On the beach, what a man. Stunning. 4 hour, had that previous 4 hour close on gold. Still got 3 hours till this 4 hour is going to close. Previous 4 hour, you know, grabbed 4 hour highs, re-broke 4 hour lows. So you still could easily see some more downside here on gold. Let's take a look at the 30 here. 30, what did you not do before this push down here? You never really re-grabbed these highs. So you may see it re-grab these highs here. Let's have a look at the 15 here. Look at that, huge push down, massive retracement. You didn't grab the lows though. That is a very, very big retracement there. And that was also a very, very big push down. Is that one big stop punt? Or was that? It was an 82 tick push down to then get completely reversed with a 55 tick pushback, almost closing, not quite, but almost closing back above this support. If you close back above there, that would have been even better. You've come very, very close to that. If you re-break these lows on gold, you know, you can have some decent sells. Very, very decent sells. Sells all the way down into here and down into 2300. But you should have a very busy week on gold. A very, very busy week.
Hey Aaron, that video, you saying that you want to trade in Bali one day, and then you made the 6K in 2 days. That's awesome, bro.
Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, it was cool.
That's actually fucking sick.
Thank you, man. Yeah, it was good. It was good. I don't know where. I can't remember where I found that video from, but I remember making it, and I thought I was gonna do it in like 6 months. Just took over like 4 years, but it was very cool to look back on.
No, that is sick though. Like I was thinking about that last night. I was like, that's actually so cool to be able to look back on. Like, who gives a fuck how long it takes? Just the fact that you could do it. That's awesome.
Yeah, man. That's kind of one thing I wish I did more. Like I'd say this for you guys as well. Like just document your journey, like upcoming and like your struggles. Just record yourself and just keep it for yourself. One day it's just such a good thing to have to look back on.
Yeah, sure. I should do that.
Yeah, you just literally just make a little video of like where you want to be, and like if you're struggling with trading, to one day have that just to rewatch back for yourself is fucking awesome, man. I wish I did it more.
Yeah, well, I haven't watched the video. I haven't seen any of the announcements, but remind me of like the video. I only watched a little bit last night.
Yeah, nice.
Like, yeah, that's sick.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Is that what you came back to buy last month? You forgot to record the yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Let's go up to here. Very, very nice video. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, man. If we get how's the 30 looking? I do think you may come and grab these lows one more time, but you may grab these highs first. If we can get the 15 to close back above this level, you may just have a little scalp to re-grab these highs, which is actually still 35 ticks, which is nice. Unless this 15 closes. Did you just grab 15 highs? Yeah, you just grabbed 15 highs as well. You haven't really grabbed any 15 lows. The 15 does reclose back bearish at this major support. You know, there's clearly a lot of volume here. You know, then we can also look for sells. So this 15 closure is going to be the key here. Yeah, this 15. If this 15 closes above, you got longs into these 30 highs here, which would actually be very nice. One thing I was surprised to see last week, you know, I didn't trade this push back down. I didn't trade New York on Friday. I took this push up. I'm very surprised we didn't grab these highs though. I do think these would be very interesting coming into this week. You know, it's easy to zoom in and be like, oh, you know, you're nowhere near it, but if we actually zoom out here, gold could easily retrace all the way into 2400. You know, you take a massive just a swing outlook for a second. You know, if we take it from this high to this low point, when we had this little retracement here, so we didn't even retrace 38% of this move, not even 50%. So once we do find some support here on gold, you know, even to come back to 50, 61 sitting nicely around that 2400, you know, that would also give that 3-pin pattern on the monthly top wick to retrace up into there would be very, very nice. I took the buys on Friday on a break of this 15 high, and I closed like 50% up here, but I held a runner much longer. I was trying to hold this runner much longer up into 2400, and by the time I woke up, it got me back at break even. I was like, oh, you motherfucker, I wasn't expecting that. But these highs coming into this week, I do still think are interesting. But news will be a big decider there. Speaking of which, what is our silver up to? So I don't want to miss a good opportunity on silver as a long-term thing as well. Pull them back nicely. Beautiful monthly close on silver as well. Yeah, huge, 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 huge. Do you donate transcripts for your recordings? I don't believe so, man. Finally had the time to sit down and probably run testing of your strategy on FX replay. Only got through the first 2 weeks of Feb so far. 70% win rate, up 4.5%. Amazing. Good work, man. Good work. Very good work. Good to all fall in place. Yeah, that's it, man. Good job, Harry. Just pure price action, man. That's it. It's all you ever need on gold. Just pure price action. We're getting a lot of volume here. This 5-minute close is bearish. Top wick. You know, you just grab previous 5 highs. You're respecting this nice level to at least come down and re-grab these lows. Could be a pretty nice position. See how this 5-minute closes. You know. 20.
I had a 4-hour trend line mark yet on gold. At the bottom, it started in like the 13th of May. I literally just got broken this morning with a heap of volume.
Like down here. Oh no, sorry. This one.
Nah, even very up higher, go up 2 pivots higher, and then it's like a downtrend. Nah, like with your screenshot mine.
Yeah, it's not good, man.
I only have one screen, so I'm being spazzed at the minute.
Okay, man. You get a top wick on that 5? Nah, no top wick on that 5. Oh, it's a downside. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like that. 4 hour. Where you got it from? Yeah, that's nice actually.
Yeah, very cool. I missed it. Yeah, I was watching it for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, that's clean. Oh, look how much of if you'd found that when you did it from here to here, if you found it at this point here, that was a very nice bounce. Look at that.
That's where I only actually got like 30 picks out of it.
That's insane.
I think like 60 or 70.
It's a crazy bounce. No, I don't think so. I don't think so, Brian. I don't think so, man. No. Is the trading retreat for only profitable traders already? Nah, not at all, no. It's for complete beginners to people who've been trading for many years. It's for absolutely everyone. If you're already profitable, then you're probably not on it because it's, you know, it'll be running over the strategy, trading live, doing everything. So yeah, absolutely not. For absolutely everyone. Is this 5 looking? Grabbing a lot of lows here. That was with the 1 hour 30 and 15 too, staying away from the 5-minute because it makes me jump in too early. Yeah, a lot of people do say they trade better on the hourly 30 and 15, man. you know, all of my trades are based off of the, you know, them time frames. I just execute off the 5 minute based off how they've closed. You know, I don't, you know, you never generate trade ideas on the 5 minute. The 5 minutes only to execute from what you've seen already on the high time frame. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning. Good morning. So this 15 is going to close here. It's looking a little bit doji, but you've kind of got 3 equal lows here. So if you top wick on the next 15, you're still respecting this resistance. You could probably risk off this high and potentially look for some sells here. How long you got? 1 minute. If anyone's trying to buy here on gold, maybe having stops below there, you may spike these lows out one more time. And you know, we are overall pretty bearish. Did you kind of leave some highs there? Did you grab them? Yeah, you did. Yeah, ever so slightly. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, if it took the lows and closed back above and flipped, yeah, definitely. Yeah, absolutely. You got now you got 1, 2, currently 3, 15 equal lows. See what gets better entries. I think as soon as it drops to 5 minute. I don't. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with just trading the 15, 30 and hourly. You know, you look back at gold on the high time frame. It moves very, very simple. Very, very simple. This was our head and shoulder zone from Friday. You know, you take sells once it rejected that level. Would have been a pretty easy trade. You take buys off this hourly support. Pretty easy trade. Moving live count top step X. You can't for top step X, man. Top step X only for top step. But for futures now, not for swing trade, man. I had personal futures and still have some in there, but I can do it. I can do it. But no, I mainly use that one for swing trade, man. Because the only thing if you try and swing futures is you can't hold buy and sell positions at the same time because it cancels them out. So blueberry's perfect for swinging for me. How's that 5 again? 5 just wicked out the lows. If you re-break this low here, you could have some sells. If you respect this low, oh no. There's a 30 looking. Yeah, 30's going to re-grab them lows. Hourly's going to re-grab them lows. 4 hours still looking juicy. Let's watch the 5. See if we get a bearish. You just grab previous five highs. If we start breaking or even coming near these lows, I want to look for some sells here on gold. Sells into the lows and, you know, potentially more. Once you break these lows, you know, you got, where's your nearest area where you could find some trouble? Like back down here. So if we get sells, we'll be trying to run it down into these areas. Yeah, 25, pretty nice. I think gold's going to keep dropping. Yeah, I don't really see any reason why not. I mean, if you're gonna retrace, you're gonna re-grab these lows first. So even if you're going to push up, well, you're going to need to grab these lows, and if you are going to push down, then obviously you're going to grab these lows as well. So in any scenario, these lows need to get grabbed. So at least looking for shorts into that, you're kind of exposed to both sides. Ideally, this 5 minute close is bearish, but doesn't grab these lows top wick, and then amazing, we can sell into it and risk off this high. Coming very, very close to it. What do you do if you just took some sells right now? 23, manage risk before that. Yeah, you could take sells there now, but it's too aggressive. I'd rather wait for it to close and wait for the top wick, but you know, you could sell it like that right now. I'm gonna wait. One minute here on gold. $35 seconds. We get an instant top wick. We're gonna have some sells here on Goldie. You got 2 equal lows now. You got like 1, 2, 3, 15 equal lows at least, or 4 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. $15 seconds. See if we get a top wick here. If you get an instant top wick, you can probably just market execute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting short here on gold. I just got in a sell on gold. Hard stop will be above this high. I'll manage risk before that, but I'm seeing if we can drive this much lower. My entry is actually a little bit lower, like there. Probably stop risk will be around here. We want to see this area holding to hold this trade. As soon as you start grabbing these lows, stop will also go in above this high as well. Pushing down nicely here. Futures already grabbing the lows, but FX isn't just yet, so I'm holding this open for now. I will look to manage in a second. Oh, there you go, break even. FX is also grabbing the lows. Yeah, I just closed 50% there. I just closed 50% at the lows, and I'm at break even here. I hit about what? How much did I hit? I hit like about 20 ticks. I'm still holding this. I'm at break even here on gold. I'm out for 12 ticks. Yeah, nice. I took this at 20 micros actually, so I'm still in this. For 10. I'm not sure if we'll survive the next 5 top wick, which is why I'm happy just to go to break even. If you get a re-entry, amazing. But you're grabbing the lows on the FX chart, so ideally we can tap into these areas, which is that massive area to the left. But you made top wick, and it may just get us before pushing down. So we may as well take something off and be willing to give it another chance if we need to. My entry on the futures is at 2237.1. Let me just put it to the entry. So I'm actually in on like the wick. You're grabbing and rejecting them lows pretty well. Pretty well.
Oh man, if it closes below those lows, I'll try and get a re-entry.
Yeah, nice man. Nice quick spike. Nice quick what, 17-ish ticks? Pretty nice. We're going to have the 30 close here in 7 minutes as well. How's that 30 close looking? Yeah, re-grabbing the lows. Yeah, it's a big level. We're re-grabbing the lows. We're at massive 4-hour support. Can't you man get out as well? Yeah, nice. Yeah, good work. Good work. I'm still in it for one contract here, 10 micros. Just want to see this 5 close. But the reason I closed off so quick is because as soon as you start grabbing these lows, that's the level where I said, you know, we could grab these lows and start to push higher. So we want to manage our trade as soon as we hit into these lows. There's actually not, unfortunately. No, I tried to find that as well. It'd be good if there was. But unfortunately there's not. Oh, Bitcoin booming. I'm in some Bitcoin longs. Oh, there you go. Now it's still pushing. 1 more minute. Oh, I was hoping we were going to get a nice 5 close there at the last couple of seconds. Are we on to the next 5? Nah, not really to the next 5. Nah, you grabbed the liquidity now. That's the trade, really. We'll just see how the 30 closes. If we start closing back above this area, I'll be looking for longs. Has a decent 5-minute rejection of that support there.
When you said look at the longs, are you waiting for like the close down like the 23.8 on the spot?
Yeah, that'd be nice, man. Yeah. Be a nice level. A rare catch of an own trade stream. Nice, man. Nice. I'm going to be aggressive. I'm going to trail my stop above this current 5 high. Probably will get me, but you may just start to push up from here. So I want to just be aggressive here. Come on, Goldie. Oh, still pushing. Still pushing. Gonna re-break the 5 lows by the looks of this. For a little 5-minute double bottom there. Two 5-minute equal lows. First positive trade of the combine. Future much better than options. Yeah, nice work. Amazing to hear, man. Amazing.
Do you have any other suggestions for trading like the swing account that's not blueberry markets, like maybe trade it like personal or whatever? Just because I keep getting blocked everywhere. In Asia, blueberry.
Yeah, you can on futures, but the margin, you need pretty decent margins to hold overnight.
Yeah.
You need, I can't remember exactly what it is, but yeah, you do need quite a lot. The only thing with swing trading futures is just not being able to like hold 2 of the same, like buy and sell at the same time. That's the only annoying part, man.
Yeah, I tried with blueberry and it's just doing my head in.
Do you use Australian address or?
Yeah, I'll use that.
Yeah.
I've just got a VPN and that. I'll try it a few more times if I can get it set up on my phone even.
Yeah, if you have an issue, send me a screenshot, man. I have a guy I can just message on WhatsApp, see if he can help.
Yeah, awesome. Cool. Thank you.
560 on the 150k combine first trade. Yeah, nice work, man. Nice work. Re-breaking the 5-minute lows there on gold. So maybe not. About to re-break the 5-minute lows. Just came very, very close. Did you grab it on the... Yeah, you did. Yeah, currency just re-grabbed. Oh yeah, futures did as well. I just closed another 5 there. So now I've only got a 0.5 basically running on this. I've got 5 micros running now. I'm just gonna go leave this a break even and see where we go from here. See how this 30 opens. But yeah, I'm taking like taking around almost 20-ish on that trade in total. About 20-ish, yeah. How we go from here, we'll see. The 5-minute just re-grab previous 5 lows. So if you start to flip up from here, you know, gold could push higher. That's the reason I just took off a little bit more there. Grab previous 5 lows, start to reject again. First time taking 20 micros actually. I've only got just 5 micros right now. I've just got it at break even. It's just to see where we go. It's not a very big runner, but we'll see how this 30 closes. Let's see. So 30 has just closed. You just closed bearish. You didn't close below the previous low though. Your top wicking. It's a very steep bearish 30 close. So it's a huge area here to the left. It's a massive area. You gotta be careful in this range now. If there was more downside targets, I'd flip this 30, but there's not. Not yet. First, I got a quick $100 there, then out. Yeah, 100 is good, man. 100 is good. It's Monday morning. Can't complain. Yeah, I hope so, man. I would like that overall. Got 24 ticks secured so far. Yeah, nice, Mario. Good work, man. 2 micro runners. Yeah, nice. Good job on the micros, man. My entry is at 2337.1. I'm probably gonna get stopped. This little run's gonna get stopped at break even. Crap price action this morning. Nah, it's been good. It's been good. Had loads of volume this morning. Lots of volume. Oh, my runner's going to get me. My runner is going to get me. I've got it at $5. I don't need the $5 to put it break even. Actually, no. Fees. Let's just put it there. I'm still in. My stop in profit is at 2336.9. It's a 30 flipping bearish here now. What did Bitcoin do? I got an alert going off from Bitcoin. Wow, look at that. Wait, that's not fucking Bitcoin. Re-flipping back bearish here on Goldie. Re-breaking previous 30 lows there as well. Let's see, let's see. Ooh, just grabbing them. Look at that 4 hour, huge. Yeah, it looks like Goldie's coming for this 2300 level. Coming for a strong level. You do want to be careful in this in here though. If you're not already in a trade, you want to be careful in here. If you close back into it and you get top wick into here, amazing, more sells. But if you're not already in a trade, be careful in there. Not bad, 5-minute close there. Grab previous 5 highs. Close back below the support, top wicking. Grab the highs, close bearish, instant top wick. Ooh, quick top wick here on gold. This is kind of what I want to see though, to be honest. I would love to see this start closing back above on the higher time frame. 4 hour close respecting this major support, and you know, in the next 2.5 hours and still go long. Oh, there you go. I'm fully out of that position now. My runner just got hit out there. Fully out. So all in all, got around what about 100, 200, 220, about 22 ticks ish. Very nice. If we start getting back above, probably start getting back above maybe here. I'll look for some longs up into here. Look at this, decent closure now here on gold. I would love to see that 4 hour close like a massive doji candle. Even this 4 hour, even if to retrace back up into like, maybe back up into like here. If you close respecting this support, even if you're going to break this support and grab these lows here, because it's such a strong level, you would expect like, a decent retracement to then overall break it. So if we can hold this support and push up, it'd be beautiful. But yeah, that was a nice trade. All that trade was literally just selling into 15 lows needing to be grabbed. So you kind of see at this point here, you had 1, 2, 3 equal 15-minute lows. Like I was saying, even if gold's going to have this push up, you were always going to come and grab these lows before doing that. So if you can take a short into it, amazing. Then you can make money on the way down. If you start grabbing the lows and close back above, amazing. Then you go long. But we've already taken our little push trading into the liquidity grab. Now if we start breaking out of the liquidity grab, amazing. Start going long. And the way that I got the entry was this 5-minute closed here. So my entry was here. This 5 minute close back bearish, 2 little 5 minute equal lows. You're never going to push up without grabbing them. Instant 5 minute top wick. Just short it into the bottom wick and into these targets. And then bam, there's your trade. 20 ticks. Pretty simple. Very, very clean. Very clean. You know, not the biggest of trade, but yeah, still very clean. Stops were too tight. This market's going to sink. I'm already in that. I'm not sure. I don't know what you're on about. Nice for a strategy. Yeah, you're saying my stops are too tight. I've already made the money. Whilst you're trying to figure out what the hell's going on. We're already in and out. We've made money on the shorts. Now we're about to make bank on the longs. No such thing as stops are too tight. Stops are above the liquidity. What about the 5 minute wicks below? They actually, if you proper zoom in, they actually did get grabbed. This wick down here grabbed these lows here, so there's no actual need to come down back down to these. If you re-break these lows, then you're gonna have a much deeper push. But that's pretty much grabbing previous 30 lows to start to potentially push higher, and hourly lows as well. Grabbing previous hourly lows. If you start grabbing previous hourly lows, closing back above this support, you got longs. See? Yeah, trading into liquidity is honestly my favorite ones. Because you don't have to worry about, you know, well, what does price do out of here? If you can get the shorts into it, amazing. Once you know where price needs to grab, you know, looking for the long setups is nice. Like same here in Asia, you know, you had these two equal highs. You're gonna need to come and re-grab these. If you could spot these before, you know, once you start finding some support breaking out, taking the longs from here up into there, you know, trading into the liquidity grab, you know, 30 ticks in that example. Once you can identify where gold needs to grab, and it's quite far away from it, you know, sometimes shorting into it is very nice. Don't try that. That's all good, man. It's all good. So if we start closing back above this support, remember, we got longs on gold. Remember, we got longs way back up into here. This was just a short into needing to grab previous hourly lows. Took the buys just now. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice, man. Definitely made sense. Grabbing previous hour lows, breaking out of it. I'm just going to wait for this 15 to close back above. Nice little fake out, and then boom. But yeah, that closure was nice, man. Yeah. We got out at the perfect point there. Look at that. I loved your recent video for inspiration. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, man. Glad you enjoyed it, man. Glad you enjoyed it. No bottom wick on this 5 yet. But if this 15 gets back above, yeah, amazing. Amazing, amazing.
Great if that 4 hour split would just be that 4 hour trend line coming at the bottom, just with liquidity grab.
Yeah, that'd be beautiful, man. That'd be them setups. Some of my biggest ever trades on gold were using that, and the same thing to highs. You know, the third drive into the highs. My biggest ever trades on gold was literally just using that concept. But what I've noticed over time, because you used to get the third touches like this, and it would actually respect quite well. But now what I've seen a lot is once you get to the third touch, you then end up breaking, closing back above, and then doing it. That's kind of what I've noticed over the past like years of trading it. But it's, yeah, one of my biggest ever trades on gold was literally just based off that. It was at one of these peaks. I'm pretty sure it was this one here, and it dropped off the back of vaccine news. Yeah, it was here. It was this one, and we shorted this as a signal as well. Literally perfect, exactly that, but to the highs. 1, 2, 3, boom. Fucking ridiculous. Yeah, send that as an actual entry, stop loss, everything as well. It's one of the most ridiculous days I've ever had on gold. Good question. I don't actually know, Jack. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I'm definitely not looking for one though, because that wasn't a huge play. I definitely will look for some. But I actually don't know. I actually don't know. I feel like there probably has. But I can't remember the last time there has been. If I was trading that, if I was trading that at one contract, that was actually only like, all in all, about like a 15-ish tick move, which is actually quite a small move. Is it weird that you can stay on the 5 minute and trade the entire week? Nah, not at all. Not at all, man. You can trade the 5 minute as long as you want, man. Absolutely. I love trading the 5 minute, but I mean, I trade the 5 minute based off what the high time frame is doing. So I was selling the 5 minute into hourly lows. You know, that's the way I found the best way to trade the 5 minute. Got a little double top here now on Goldie. Perfect double top here. Got head off. Thanks for the live stream knowledge. Yeah, of course. No worries. Hope to see you next time. Uh, 15 just closed back above. Potential 15-minute fake out there. Did you grab them 15 lows or not? I can't really tell. Yeah, you did. Wait, did you? Yeah, you did. Ever so slightly, but you did. Into an instant bottom wick with 3 15-minute equal highs. Look at that. I need to see a bottom wick a little bit more, though, because that's definitely not worth it. Taking that 15 flip of the body into them highs is only 6 ticks. It's not worth it. If we can bottom wick more, though, you know, spike down, grab some 5 lows, then yeah, amazing. We got buys up into these highs and back up into here. We got London Open like 13-ish minutes as well. Good evening, man. What's going on? We're still pretty far away from that view app as well. Could maybe tap into that again. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Oh shit, who left? Hey guys, I'm looking for gold sales today. Hey man, yeah, we already took some gold sales, man. We've already taken some gold sales. We may get some more. But now you've had these buys, fake out closure back above this level on the 15. I'm potentially looking for longs back up into here. That's what I'm looking for. See if 15 broke straight back above. Also grab an hourly lows, which I think I'm just gonna wait for this hourly. Because you're massively rejecting here. You reject once, you've re-grabbed hourly lows. So we've grabbed all downside liquidity. So you know, if we can start getting back above here on gold, you know, the 4 hour can potentially flip bullish. You got longs all the way back up into these areas, which would actually be very, very nice. Sorry, just joined. That's all good, man. That's all good. Yeah, we took some sales just before. We took this move down here. But yeah, we could have some more buys actually. But I think we may as well wait for this hourly close. Hourly close. London open. And we could have some buys. I really want to see if this hourly is going to hold above and, you know, maybe even, you know, close back above like this area, and maybe this hourly can even close bullish, and that'd be amazing. So this hourly is going to be really key to see how we're going to go for the next hour into the London session. I do like these areas up here as well. I do like, oh, the fuck was that? I do like these areas up here. Grabbing some 5-minute lows here as well. I remember we got a big US dollar day today as well. You know, not that I ever really look at it anymore, but I just had a brief look at the DXY today just to see like a, you know, higher time frame perspective to see where we're sitting. And we can kind of see DXY looks to me like it's ready to have a bit of a rollover. Which could mean, you know, gold could go higher. If the US dollar is going to go down, gold's going to go up. You know, you're bouncing off the third touch of this trend line. You bounced off it here, 1, 2, 3 times. Like, what's the likelihood that you're going to bounce off a trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times? It's unlikely. So it could be time to see DXY start to have a decent retracement before, you know, maybe going higher back up into here, which would mean, you know, just from a higher time frame perspective, gold could start to retrace higher as well. So a quick look at these little moving averages, still holding them pretty well. How did DXY close on the monthly? Bearish, back below 105, which is a very strong level. So, you know, for the month of June, you could see the US dollar come all the way back down to like 104. Which would then, hopefully, is what we're kind of looking at for gold to give that monthly top wick. Oh shit, wrong screen. Sorry. Here. Just looking here on the daily. Got this big trend line coming up here. You know, you very rarely see price bounce off a trend line this many times. Even if price is going to have a pushback higher, you're going to come down, grab a lot of lows, and then potentially push back. Or, you know, you just you break the trend line, retest it, and, you know, see a decent push. And you look at the DXY on the monthly. You've closed back below this major resistance here, faked out of it, broke above, straight back below of this area here. Could come all the way back down to these regions, which would give gold, like we said earlier, that potential retracement on the higher time frame back up into, you know, these regions and back up into 2400. So just something to keep in the back of the mind. Euro USD, yeah, let's have a look. Yo, man.
I was gonna say, if you go up to your gold spot, where it says on the symbol and go like compare it to DXY, you can actually have a look at the inverse relationship on like the early and that.
Yeah, nice. How you can change it? You can change the candles, can't you? How do you change the candles?
Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that. Oh, let's just go line.
Actually, yeah, it's actually probably easy. You don't want to look at the candle. You probably want it clean. Let me do line.
If you go to like the 15 on the hourly, it shows it a big 0.
Let's go hourly. Why does it go so far away? Yeah. It would be nice. I would. Oh, that's cool. You can keep it there. You can hide it. That's nice. Yeah, I would love to see it have a decent push. How's Euro USD looking? Yeah, Euro USD again. Big monthly. You know, April. You know, if you were to look at this on Euro USD, if we get rid of last month, you know, you'd be looking at this. You know, you had this morning star here to push higher. Then you also rejected, grabbed the highs, retested, pushed lower in April. So then to see, where are we? To then see May reclose back above. Yeah, flip bullish, re-break them highs. Yeah, it's looking like you could. Yeah, I agree. I think Euro USD is looking bullish all the way up into here. Euro USD is going to go up. You expect gold to go up and the US dollar to go down. Gold ripping. Whoa. Oh, yeah, fuck. Oh, wait, why have I got these percent? Oh, is it this? Let me get rid of that. There you go. Yeah, Goldie pushing. It's good, though. It's good. This is what we want to see. This is that hourly close nice. There's a very, 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 very nice hourly close here on gold. A very nice hourly close. It's actually beautiful. Yeah, closing bullish. Yeah, I think so, which would be nice. This hourly close. Where's the 4 hour? Is the 4 hour flipping bullish yet? Oh, shit. What have I just done? Oh, did not mean to post that note. 4 hour. Yeah, almost. To come back up into these areas would be real nice. Caught that 15 flip. Nice. Which one did you get? Oh, you got this one? Broke above, retested, push. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's fucking clean actually. Very fucking clean. Yeah, 35. Wow, nice. Good job. Good work, man. I just closed some. I took some Bitcoin buys over the weekend. I just closed some Bitcoin buys. Yeah, gold pushing. Yeah, if you got that 15 fake out, well done. Well done. What should the risk management for 50k count? Just 0.5 to 1% risk. Yeah, probably the easiest move of the day there. Yeah, thank you, Brian. Thank you, man. The reason I didn't take that one is because I mean you could take it. You just would have had to hard stop there. But it's actually very nice. Did you grab any 5-minute lows? Oh, you actually did, yeah. Oh fuck yeah, you did. Look at that. You came down, you re-grabbed 5 lows, you had 5-minute equal highs. I mean, there's no bottom wick on this 5, so, you know, in hindsight, it's very unlikely. But you take the break of them highs up into there. Break even. 26, and you're trying to play it up into here as well. But this is good, though. You know, any rejection from here will be a retail trap. People try to jump in shorts. This hourly is about to close as well. So if this hourly comes down bottom wick, you still got buys up into here. Top of Asia, yeah, I think that's an easy target, man. Where's that? Up here? Yeah, I would be watching this area as a decent TP area. Took an entry on 23.16. How much should I hold on a 0.05 lot? I can't tell you that, man. That's entirely up to you. I can't tell you what to do with your trade, unfortunately, man. That is your decision. I can only say what I'm doing. But this is where you will expect, as long as we don't just rip it now, you might, but I hope we don't. But this is where most people try and short. Stops above this high. Oh yeah, you motherfucker, you're just going to rip it on you. Look at that. You know, our exit on the shorts was fucking perfect. Yeah, that's it, Mario. It may come down and retrace into here. Look at this London volume today. I haven't seen this. We didn't see this much London volume for the whole of last week. London volume's back. Oh, look at that hourly. That hourly is insane. Actually closed with a decent body as well. So you get a little bit of a bottom wick there, which you still get. You're only 2 minutes into this hourly. You're gonna find some resistance from here. Give a bit of a more of an hourly wick, bottom wick, and once you do, you can take flip of the body. It's going to 23.48. Oof. 23.48. Oh, that'd be lovely. I bloody wish. I want it to go to 23.400. Oh my god, he's coming way back up here. How's this daily looking? This daily close would be really interesting today as well. $23.60 volume. Yeah. News will be very interesting today. Yeah, NFP on Friday. I know. I usually when you have NFP weeks, I usually trade up until like Thursday. What changes did you make to become profitable? Learn to become a reactor, not a predictor, and understand liquidity. Learn to be reactive and adaptive, and to not trade with an ego or a bias, and to not waste time forecasting. One thing I would do in the beginning, and if you've ever heard me explain this before, one thing I would do in the beginning is, let me give an example. Let's say in the beginning of my journey, let's just say if we're looking for gold to come up into here before pushing back down. You're looking for gold, tap all the way back in 23.50, and you're looking for this big push back down. Early on in my journey, I was in communities, and I won't say any names, who were big advocates of forecasting and drawing squiggly lines on the chart, and I would waste days waiting for price to get into these, quote unquote high value areas before trying to do something else. And I would just wait for price to get up into here. Price would get up into here. I would hesitate, or I would do something wrong, or price would just keep pushing up, and I would either take a loss and I just wasted days to, if not weeks, doing nothing. Whereas for now, if I think price can come up all the way up into here before pushing down, well, that's, 200 plus fucking ticks away. The fuck do I want to sit on my hands for that long? I want to trade into it. So then when I get up into here, and if we do get up into here, I can secure some of this trade, hold some runners, and then try to take shorts from down here. If the shorts from here don't work and we keep breaking up, well, I don't give a shit. I took the longs from up here. So if you think price can tap into somewhere higher or lower before doing something else, amazing, trade into it. Don't sit on your hands and wait for it to get into there. You want to be traders, start trading. Yeah, I would waste literally days just waiting for price to get into these areas. And it gets into the areas and it doesn't do what I've expected, and I've just lost money and I've wasted time. It makes no sense. So don't waste time forecasting. Forecasting is one of the biggest waste of times. You shouldn't ever forecast. If you forecast, you're trying to put your opinions on the markets. You can be reactive. If you think price can push up into this region, you get a breakout confirmation, amazing, trade into it. If you get shorts from here, amazing, take the shorts. If you don't get the short confirmation, it keeps breaking, well, who gives a fuck? You've made money on the way up. You haven't sat on your hands for a week doing nothing, waiting for the markets to come to you. No, that's bullshit. If you think the markets can go somewhere before doing something else, expose yourself to that. That's something that helped me. I wasted a lot of time. A lot of time trying to predict all the time. Trying to predict and expecting things to happen. I made a lot of changes. I've been trading for 6 years, 6.5 years. I've been trading for a lot. A lot of changes. You just become numb to your emotions after a while as well. I still get the same. I still get the same thought process of when I first started trading. I still get the fear of messing out. I still get the need to want to over leverage. But you just learn to react different to them emotions. Them emotions don't really go, I don't think. You just learn to deal with them. And you get burnt out from... Hopefully you get burnt out from your mistakes that much that when you feel like you're about to do it, you just stop yourself from doing it. You're just like, fuck, I've done this before and I've been burnt from this too many times. I'm not a very quick learner, so I had to make the same mistakes a lot of times before I realized I should probably stop doing this mistake. Jumps and charts 20 minutes to go 26. Yeah, that's it, man. Wait for the volume and execute. That's it. FOMO is a big reason I would jump into dumb trades. Yeah, me too. Fear of missing out as well. I would always think the markets move so quick, and if I don't get it now, I'm going to miss the move. Well, you zoom out, the markets don't actually move as quick as you may think. Although we're getting some amazing volume here today. We haven't actually really done anything. Even though we've got our trade, we're still looking for some more. The markets never move as quick as you may think. You'd see these huge pushes down. You're like, fuck, I need to get in. Then you end up going into drawdown, or it goes against you, or you end up coming all the way back up, retesting a level before pushing. So mine is over trading. Yeah, I mean, I overtraded in the beginning as well, but the reason I overtraded is because the monetary value of what I was trading wasn't worth a good trade. So if that's, something that you feel like you're doing the same, definitely understand that. Like if I take a good trade and I'd make like maybe $20, I would look at the $20 and be like, oh, well, it's only $20. Let me keep trading. It's not enough. So you're actually trading the P&L, not the charts. You can take. I mean, I take a lot of trades as well. Don't get me wrong, but you could literally take 2 to 3 trades a week and be living a very good life. I personally take much more than that, but you easily could. Like you could easily just taken the buys on Friday. And on the break of these 15 highs up into all of our liquidity levels, made like 100 ticks, and that could be a week. So once you realize that, it's important to know when to trade and when not to trade. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I reckon your understanding of lower time frame liquidity is what makes the difference between being able to react properly. When I tried to be reactive before, it wasn't based on anything. Yeah, 100%. That's it, man. Yeah, it's very, very true. Very true. I'd like to get in on gold here. I just need gold to slow down so I can actually get in here. It's 30 minutes closed above this. Ali's got no real bottom wick and just kind of just instantly ripped up. What did you do to cut back on over trading? Just stop trading an account size that just wasn't worth my time. You know, look to go for fun, to build that personal and treat it like it's real, and understand that. Well, I mean, it's kind of different for me as well. When I very first started trading, I started trading penny stocks, and there was something called a PDT rule, and you could only trade. You take like 3 trades a week or something stupid. And as annoying as it was at the time, it actually helped me be a lot more picky with my trades. So if you said to yourself, look, this week I've got 5 trades for this whole week. I've only got 5. Are you gonna waste up them 5 trading in shit like this? Or are you gonna wait for volume to come in and then use your trades worthwhile? So if you limit yourself to only a certain amount of trades a week and actually stick to it, you'll be much more selective on the trades you take. I wouldn't. I wouldn't trade. I wouldn't recommend penny stocks. No. There's a lot of fees that go into it. It's very difficult to manage your risk if a penny stock's going down and you're trying to get out of it and you can't. There's a lot of negatives trading penny stocks. I think that time has kind of come and gone. I mean, I'm sure there's people that still do trade penny stocks or small cap stocks, but nah. Not for me personally. There's so much that goes into it, you know. You need loads of scanners as well. You got to scan for shit every day. The way we trade now, we know what we're going to trade, we know how we're going to trade it, and we know what time we're going to trade it every single day. Jimmy full leverage, yeah. What is it up to actually? What's it? Did it crash back down? Oh yeah, look at that. How many people do you reckon FOMO bought into that? That's fucking crazy. Oh my days. Now, 4 minutes, 15 close. Look at that. Oh my god. How many people do you reckon FOMO'd into GameStop and got absolutely destroyed? Oh my god. That's disgusting. Yeah, they do deserve it.
And then history repeats itself.
Yeah.
They deserve it that time.
100%. That is fucking crazy. That is crazy. That monthly close with 180% wick. That's disgusting.
It's no different to when Luna Crash loses 98% or 99% in a week and a half. Then it 2.0 starts going and then they will start buying in.
Yeah. Fucking crazy. Is it okay to get in out of Bitcoin? Yeah, sure. I took a Bitcoin trade on the weekend. Yeah, you can day trade Bitcoin. Started trading Bitcoin on Blueberry Markets. I just closed some of my Bitcoin buys. I just put on my story as well. Buying Bitcoin back into 70 and back up into this third touch trend line. Yep. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's good to know, Ross. Yeah, I think it'll come back to 75 again, easily. 15's about to close soon here on Goldie. I just want a bottom wick. Be wrapping my mind around the rule of 72 and the effect of doubling and returns of. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, man. Yeah, Brian. If you ever look at I used to do this all the time. You look at a compound interest calculator. If you could make 5 to 10% a year, which is not hard to do, very easy to do, you make insane gains. I always used to look at this, and I still do. Where's the one I used to use? Let's say if we start with 10,000, we make 10% a year over 25 years, and let's say we put in, let's just say it's insane, and it is very easy to do 10%. 10% is extremely conservative when you have a basic understanding of any markets. Start 10k, 10% a year over 25 years, chuck in $1,000 a month. Look, by year one doesn't seem like, very much. By the time you start getting into the 10s and 20s, it's crazy. So this is how much you've put in 310, your balance is at 1.1. Just making 10% a year over 25 years. It's pretty crazy. Absolutely not, Marinette. Absolutely not. $15's just closed here on gold. I just want to see a bottom wick so we can actually get in this. There you go. Then you get a bottom wick. Bottom wick grabs on 5 lows, and then you still got more buys here on gold. Remember, this is our overall target up here. Yeah, I think so, Ben. Yeah, I think grab some 5 at lows, man. It'd be nice. Grab some 5 lows, flip bullish. Definitely. Like this pretty much. This was, I missed this one, and there was no bottom wick here, but this here was a perfect one. You have 2 5-minute equal highs. You rip some lows, take the break of them highs, risk off that 5 liquidity grab. Boom. That's like that. That's what you want. Anyone looking for a setup to journal, that's a perfect continuation setup. You have a clear liquidity target, which we had already pre-planned. You grab some lows. You hadn't grabbed the highs. Take the break of them highs. Boom. As soon as you start tapping into this area as well, you'd manage your risk because you could tap this and push down, so you'd manage risk. As soon as you get into there, start grabbing these highs, break even, closes above. Amazing. That's a very nice setup. So you pretty much want, pretty much same as that. Grab some 5 lows, re-break these highs here, and then boom. I'll take the flip of this 5. If we grab these lows, I'll take the flip of this. It's also the flip of the 15 as well. There you go. That compound interest calculator is insane. When you start trading, some people think they can turn their heads up at 10% a month. Fuck, if you make 10% a year, you're doing very well. We thoughts on funded accounts? Yeah, I think funded accounts are great, man. I have 2. Funded accounts are great. They're not. I don't think they should be looked at from a long-term perspective. But I think they're great for building personal and getting a strategy down. If we do break the highs from here, this could be grabbing previous 15 highs to retrace a lot more now. It's pretty overextended. I think you're going to retrace a lot more here, so don't FOMO into this just yet. Yeah, I think funded accounts are great. We've got funded account on Top Step. We've got funded account on FTMO. They're not my personal main focus anymore, but I think they're great. Got a payout coming tomorrow from FTMO as well, again. It's like the 3rd payout since I started that account started the challenge in January. I've taken maybe like 2 trades in it this month. See, if you're seeing this push up thinking, should I have taken this? I would say no, because where are you going to put your stops? You can't really put your stop here, because price could easily liquidate that 5 low like you did here. So where's your stops going to go? What, like here? Well, if you put your stops there, but you got support just there. So I don't really mind this pushing. Trade the 5 on FTMO or stick to higher time frame? Yeah, maybe like the 15 and higher. Main trade the higher time frame on it, man. But the spreads are usually pretty good on it, to be honest. They're usually like less than 2 for the most part. I could trade the 5-minute, but yeah, I don't really use it for that. I prefer futures for that. Futures for scalping, for sure. Michael, I use Blueberry Markets. There's a link in Discord as well. They're regulated in Australian. I used to use Ninja as well. If you're wanting, personal scalping, then they're good. But if you want to, trade like 30, 15 higher, probably very good. Yeah, coming into I wish if we just grab some lows there. Kind of painful to see this push up 60. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this is insane. It's already up 120. Look at that. I'm kind of annoyed I'm not in this. Look at that 4 hour now. Holy shit. Could that be the low of the week?
What's a contract worth of Bitcoin on Blueberry markets?
So because I was playing around with it and I kind of messed it up, so I had to take two. So I took where are we? I'll go to the hourly. So I took a one lot buy at 68 176 because I wasn't too sure. It's my first time trading on Blueberry, so I actually took two positions. 68 176.76. That's where I got it, and I got out at 69.07 3.44. So I got that much of the move. What's that? That's I don't know how you measure Bitcoin. What's that? That's what is that? Maybe like 90 ticks. Maybe I'm not sure. But that was 1,350, and that's a pretty decent move, to be honest. I would have liked it to be more than that. It's quite a decent move to only be 1,350 in one lot. And that's AUD as well. So I reckon maybe if you put this to like 100 here, like that. Wait, where is it? So say if you say that's at 100, one lot, I think that'd be 1,000 USD. I think it's confusing. It's always different on different brokers.
Actually, I'll check what a micro is quickly on Bitcoin. I'll just enter a position.
Yeah, have a look, man. Yeah. I'm always trading FX now. Looks like it's not futures. Nah, futures still my primarily focus, man. I've just been having a lot of swings recently. A lot of swings on the FX. I've just been enjoying having the swings again. I didn't really take many scalps last week. I didn't take any scalps on the futures last week because they just weren't there for me. But I took a scalp on the futures today, man. I like to do both, but it doesn't. Again, it honestly doesn't really matter. You can trade either or. I think futures are amazing for intraday trading and scalping, and then FX for 30 and higher.
So I just entered two positions on Bitcoin.
Yep.
The micro is 50 cents, but each position was a $5 fee, so you lose 10 ticks.
Oh,
for that position.
Wow, that's pretty high.
Yeah.
I didn't get any on
$5
Blueberry.
fee.
I had no commissions on Blueberry, and on Blueberry now you can trade crypto over the weekend as well, which is pretty cool. Because most CFD brokers are shut, but on Blueberry you can actually trade crypto over the weekend. That's this 15 looking. Yeah, I think this 15 is going to wick down some 15 lows. I wouldn't FOMO buy into this just yet. The plan of action here is you grab some 15 lows, you still got buys up into here. The spreads, Matt. It was on a. When did I take it? Yesterday? It was either Saturday or Sunday. They were very good. They're very, very good. I send you a screenshot here. Let me go to the 5 minute. 15. Let's see a screenshot here. How can I send this to Zoom? I don't know. Well, I'll draw it up. We've got time. Goldie's not doing anything just yet. So if I go, actually, wait there. I can pop it up here. I'll show you. Oh, we all know that sound. Where are we? Bitcoin. Where are we? How do I go? Add. So if I share, where are we? How do I share this screen? Can you see this? They're very good, to be fair. It's pretty much like the same as what it was on the weekend. They're very, very tight. And it was maybe a little bit wide on the weekend, but it was very good. 35 ticks combined. On stream to flip forward. Yeah, nice, good work. Good job. Thanks, Howard. Yeah, no problem. See you next time. Enjoy. Cheers. Yeah, no worries, man. I decided to have a look at crypto on the weekend and I was like, Bitcoin's in a pretty decent place. I'm gonna buy some. See, look at this on Goldie now. Look at that 15 now. If you FOMO into that, you're straight into drawdown. I think this 15 is gonna wick out some lows. 5 minute just reflip back bearish there. I think you're gonna come and grab some of these lows. Could you short into it? 5 minute close bullish. We grab 5 minute highs. Aggressively back bearish. 20, 23-ish. Back to lows. Daily level at 363. Oh, there you go, Ryan. Legend. There you go. Nice. Shares 30 can close out. You could consider some sells if depending on how this opens, because I think, you know, you could easily even see gold all the way come back down to here, create this sort of left shoulder, this head, before breaking out and seeing that push back up into here. You know, for that to have a retrace would actually be pretty nice. You know, grab some maybe 30 minute lows. Could be cool.
I've got buy set up at 23.20 on the spot for my swing.
Nice. 23.20. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like that level, man.
About to go snorkeling, so set it up and see what happens.
Sick, man. How's the weather there?
Mate, it's unreal.
Nice.
So nice. It is a little bit hot though. It's hotter than Bali.
Yeah.
It's a bit hot. But mate, it's just perfect scenery.
Yeah, sick, man.
Look at this.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, it's fucking stunning. That's unreal.
White sand too, so it's like the beach just looks like real blue and everything, not like Bali with the black sand. It just looks
Yeah. Yeah, it's one place I need to visit this year for sure. Next retreating hotel. $15, starting to looking like we're going to close a bit bearish here. The reason I was happy to not take these buys, you never grabbed any of the lows, so now you're coming back down. Let me get rid of these. Who grabbed all these? I'm interested in them. What time is that news today? It's at like 3 o'clock, isn't it? Yeah, 3 o'clock. It's annoying. I won't watch it. I might watch it. Thailand just updated their visas to way better for people who stay long term. Oh, really? Nice. Nice. That's pretty cool. Top step one. Yeah, I use the top step for futures. Top step X here. That's where we took the shorts before. Took these shorts here on the top step X, man. $12 ticks, not bad. Cheers, bro. Yeah, no worries, man. He ended up coming all the way, retraced all the way back into that VWAP. So I was saying we could come and retest that. He ended up coming all the way back into it. Yeah, I always wait. I mean, when you're this close to it, you know, when you're like a couple minutes away from it or 5 minutes away from it, you may as well just wait for it the 30 to close because you're not going to miss that much before then. If you try and take a trade right before 30 close, you could get trapped into the wrong side because that's typically when gold can have that fake move. Gold can look so bullish on the 30. Last 5 minute could just aggressively push down. You get the big 30 top wick. It's very easy to get trapped on the wrong side. So 15 ended up actually closing bearish there. You grabbed all these highs, you've closed bearish. You still haven't grabbed this resistance up here, which I do still think is a target, but I don't really see too much in here just yet. There's no obvious liquidity levels now until you break this high. Then you got longs up into here, unless you come back down to where this is for that kind of inverse head and shoulders.
Could that have just been a trend line, say touch of a trend line grab?
Yeah. Kind of like that. Yeah, I still think I reckon a lot of people probably just tried to sell this. I mean, they're making bank right now, but yeah, I reckon a lot of people are trying to sell there. 27. Here's the overall massive range we're playing here. All the way down here to all the way up there. I think you make selling a $50 a month signal service. That's not my goal, man. I don't want people who want signals. I've been there, done that. I don't want that pressure. I never want anyone who wants signals. People will never make money following signals. Sells after 23, 24. Yeah, 100% Ross. It's the reason I stopped doing it. You guys go back to old Discord days, all it ever was. I stopped it. I was sick of it. It's putting pressure on me as well. Sells after 23, 24 to get some 30 lows. You probably need to see a closure out of here. You got support there, you got resistance there. I'm not really doing too much in here, to be honest. I mean, if you break out of that, yeah, you may sell down into here, which could be nice. You'd want to see a decent closure below this area first. Yeah, 100% Ross, 100% man. But to fill in this wick later on, if you can grab these lows, that's what I'm more interested in. I'm not really trying to fight this big move up here. Gold's had a 100 150 tick push almost. I'm trying to follow that personally. This 4-hour close would be really key. That's, to be honest, probably what I'll be waiting for. Look at that hourly. Huge wick. Wick in the highs, wick in the lows. What does that tell you? Range. Top Step, the only funded broker for gold micro futures? Nah, I don't think so. I assume you can probably do it on Apex as well. It's the only one I use though. Edge is unique. I haven't seen it anywhere else online. Risk management is very good. Thank you, man. Thank you. Great. Yep, all good, Aiden. See you next time, man. Appreciate you tuning in, man. See you next time. What are you up to, Goldie? What are you up to? Yeah, back at it, man. Yeah. Back down. South Africa is a no-fly zone. Top down. Oh, that's a shame, man. Overall thoughts on the DXY? I don't really look at it, but I just actually had a look at it before. I can see the DXY coming lower, to be honest. I can see the DXY coming back down to like 104. Monthly broke out in April. In May, you closed straight back below a very major level of like 105-ish. See, it's a absolutely huge level. Huge level. Big level. Look at that. Broke below, straight back above. Broke above, straight back below. Last time you had a fake out, you had a decent retracement. So, yeah, I'm looking for the DXY to come back down to like the middle of the range. And then potentially back down to 100 maybe. Who knows? But yeah, I can see the DXY going lower. It's bouncing off a major trend line, which I would expect you're going to break. I'd be very surprised to see this bounce off the, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches of a trend line. That's why I'm overall bullish on gold. Yeah, previous day low thing, yeah, definitely, man. That's why I think this 4-hour close would be really key. I would love to see it close back above this level. I don't want to see it get trapped in this range because you could just stay in this range all the way up until PMI at 3 o'clock London time. I also wouldn't be too surprised to see these lows grabbed as well. Like not maybe not today, but NFP, gold dip down and Or if you could hold this low, close above, then yeah, great. So I was so surprised to see that the fact that these highs here never grabbed these on Friday. I was trying to hold I got my buys from here, I was trying to hold it all the way up into there. Now when I woke up on Saturday and saw it close back below, I was like, holy shit. Which is why I still think you'll see it push higher. And you're still at that major daily support where we haven't actually broken. Last time we broke back below the support was like, you know, back here in April. I think this is going to be a massive make or break area for people who are overall long on gold. Screen, fuck, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Hold this area. So honestly, it's honestly hard to tell. You know, last week's candle, you know, he did fake out of these highs, retest it and push down, but he didn't really close below the lows, and the body wasn't actually that strong. I wouldn't say it's the most bearish close last week, so it's pretty doji. This week could easily top wick into these highs and back up into these areas, in my opinion. See these lows respected, maybe this morning star. So I took the buys in Bali off that morning star. Could potentially form something like that next week, maybe. Monthly's open with an instant bottom wick. Respecting this level now. It's a strange area right now on gold. It's a very, very, very strange area. What's Tilt saying? 58% people long, 42% people short. Not really showing too much just yet. Hey, 30 closed above the app retesting. If this 30 can flip bullish, which it's starting to. How long have you got? 15 minutes. How's the hourly looking? Yeah, the hourly, it's just annoying. This hourly didn't really, the reason I didn't take these longs up is this hourly gave hardly any of a bottom wick. So it's hard to get this rip up. There's literally like a very little bottom wick on this hourly. Time for bed. Good to see everyone. Yeah, you too, Brian. See you tomorrow, man. You got the cells early in the stream. I came in late. Yeah. We took them cells earlier. Yeah, man. Yep. We took the cells here down into these lows here. Got short from around here. This candle, I think, took the sells to grab the lows before this whole rip up. Just middle of range for me. Yeah, me too, man. Yep. Yep. Yeah, if it closed bullish, yeah, I agree, man. Love your video to your future self was brilliant. Yeah, thank you. Glad you enjoyed it, man. It was good to make them videos. I highly recommend you guys just to document yourself like that and just keep it for yourself. You don't have to post it anywhere. Just keep it for yourself, and hopefully one day you can look back on. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool to look back on. How's that 15 just closed? It's closed respecting support. Instant top wick here on gold. If you grab the 15 highs, maybe you could flip it short. Grab previous 5 highs, not previous 15 highs. Previous 5 highs. Gold looks to retest 2000. Yeah, possible, man. Very possible. Very possible. It's in the middle of a big juicy range. What was that? I was on the 10 minute there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Kind of got 2 equal 5 highs there. If you can grab some 5 highs, you could look for the break of these lows just to retrace this, but it needs to grab some of these highs first. So if this 15, this is the 15 open, if this can top wick to grab some of these highs, you could short the break of the low. I'd only look for longs maybe once you get back above here. It's a massive level where you close above, straight back below, retest and push lower. So for now, I want to continue to look for these sells. But it needs to grab these 5 highs, which is the previous 15. Kind of just a bit of no man's land here at the minute. Resistance up here, support's down there, just in the middle. In the middle for now on Goldie. Oh. Yeah, there's a high chance you're going to re-grab these lows here. If we just wicked some 5 highs, I would short into it. There's a very high chance you're going to grab that. If you reject from here, you're going to have 2 15 equal lows. See? Here. That's 10 ticks. On the hour time frame, last low still a valid low. Looks good, still downtrend. Yeah, overall definitely. You also just got to kind of think, anyone who's shorting gold is probably in something like that. So there is a high chance, whether it takes until news, that you wick out a lot of these highs before potentially seeing that pushback down, orders breaking higher. I think you'll see if you're going to see the push down to 2300, you're going to grab a lot of highs first. I think that might be it for us today. I don't really see anything in here just yet. Kind of like I say, it's in the middle of nowhere. 5 minutes starting to go a bit doji. London's already had a massive push down, massive push back up. Do you expect that to continue? That's never going to happen. This moved down at like 6:30 London time. 80 plus tick push down. 7:35. 140 tick push back up. It's never just going to continue after that. You didn't get either the shorts down or the buys up, but just wait for it to get into better areas than this, I think. I'd be waiting. If I'm going to see some longs, I'll wait for it to maybe get down here, bounce from here, break some levels. Here would be my area. And you'd buy up into here. Let's have a look at oil, actually. Maybe have to see what oil's been up to recently. How did oil close in the monthly? Strong monthly close. Yeah, good shout, Craig. I'll be doing the same soon as well, man. Good shout, man. Cheers to the session. Yeah, enjoy, man. Enjoy. Be active in Discord later, man. Yeah, big close in oil on the monthly, back below $80. You can see oil come back down to the 60s. It's a very big level, actually. Look how crazy these weeklies can be on oil. Came all the way back up, ripped the highs one more time at $80, and sold back off aggressively. Instant top wick on oil. Daily, huge resistance at 80. Gapped up, straight back below. Big push back down. I think you'll see oil come back down to 75s-ish. Unless you start closing back above 80, you got longs, but as long as you stay at this range, bouncing off this support, a lot of people try to jump in longs. I think you see oil push down a little bit more here. Yeah, let me set some alerts before we go. Let's see, where could we have alerts? Because I don't see anything on here on gold right now. You're going to have to wait. To be honest, I'm going to wait for the Top Step to release a mobile app. Yeah, hopefully it's soon, man. Hopefully it's soon. I'm personally, I'm going to set some alerts, but I'm actually going to wait for this 4 hour to close. 4 hours closed, respecting this resistance here, respecting this support. So you got support there, you got resistance there. I'm not getting chopped up in that, and not before big news today. So all I'm going to do for my alerts is I'm going to set an alert down here to see if we can reject this head and shoulders, but then I'm actually not going to take it until you close maybe back above here. So I'm going to set my alerts there and call it there, guys. We had some nice little quick scalp shorts today. Hourly kind of ripped up, no bottom wick. Kind of pretty hard to re-enter in that. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. We got big news later on. I'll upload this stream after for you guys in Discord so anyone can re-watch it. We took the trade... for anyone who wasn't on yet, we took the trade around about 7:15 London time on the charts. When I re-upload, you guys can watch it back. But yeah, I'm going to wait for this 4 hour close in about an hour and 10 minutes, sorry. And then we'll update you guys in Discord once it closes, see if it closes bearish or bullish, and then we'll be able to see what the rest of the day is going to do. So yeah, Zoom guys, good first day, start the week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers out. Yeah, no worries guys, talk to you soon. See you guys. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. We had some good sells today on Goldie. Didn't get the buys unfortunately, but now I'm just going to literally wait for that 4 hour to close. Leave my alerts there. If you guys want to check out the 2025 Trade and Treat, remember the ticket link is pinned to the top of this chat, and it would be awesome to see you guys on the next retreat. If not, I'll see you guys again same time tomorrow, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Trade safe. We got news later on, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.